Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie axolotl. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie axolotl, let's begin by drawing the head. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and I'm going to come right to here. I'm going to draw a couple little bumps that go down and up, down and up, down and up like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this down and then up to here for the head. Right inside of here, I'm going to make just a couple little bumps for the inside of the head. And then inside of here, let's draw the mouth and the face. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out and come back up. And then same thing, just go out and back up. Right here, I'm going to make a little curved line that goes up and down, and then down and up. And then I'll make a little line that just goes down and up with a little sad face for the inside of the mouth and the tongue. Then I'll just go ahead and color this part in. Next, starting here, let's make the body. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve down. And then I'll make another line that's going to curve down. I'll leave a little bit of space right there. I want to make a little wiggly line like this. And then I'll make another little wiggly line all the way down and make it come to a point. Now, starting here, I'm going to add some arms. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come out, and then it's just going to curve back. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come out, put a couple little bumps, and then I'll curve it back. So it kind of looks like there's a little bite taken out of the arm. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve out and in. I'll do the same thing here, just out and in. And then I'll make a little line that's just going to curve around and in. Same thing here, we're just going to curve around and bring it in. Now, up here I want to add the little gills on our axolotl. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and then it's just going to come back in. I'll draw one here that's just going to curve around and come back. And one more here that's just going to curve around and come back. Same thing here, I'm going to curve this up, around, and come back in. Curve this up, around, and come back. And then I'll curve this one up, around, and then just back in. And then I'm going to add a small little line onto each one, right in the middle there. Now we just want to add a few more little details onto our axolotl. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line in, and I'm just going to make a little wiggly line down here. And I'll do the same thing. I'll bring this in and then just add a little wiggly line down here. Up here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and I'm going to put a couple little lines across for some stitches. Over here, I'm going to make a couple little bumps. Then I'm going to put a few little dots inside of here. Over here, I'm going to make a little hashtag mark. And then right here, I'm going to make a couple little lines across so it looks like there's some bandages on here. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line with a couple more lines across for some stitches. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little zombie axolotl. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.